Our world runs on energy, powering everything from homes to phones, but burning fossil fuels is heating up our planet. So how do we keep the lights on without cooking the Earth? Enter advanced nuclear energy. This isn't old-school nuclear, it's safer, smaller, and more efficient, one of the most exciting fields in science today. The world needs reliable, carbon-free power, and advanced nuclear is stepping up. There are two big innovations: smarter, flexible fission reactors like Small Modular Reactors, or SMRs, and the ultimate dream, nuclear fusion. SMRs are about making current nuclear tech safer and more adaptable. Fusion? That's building a miniature star on Earth for nearly limitless clean energy. It sounds like science fiction, but it's getting real, fast. The World Economic Forum named advanced nuclear a top emerging technology for 2025. From the US to Europe, brilliant minds are racing to perfect these designs. The goal: secure our energy future and protect the planet. Advanced nuclear could be the game changer we need. Let's dive into how it works. Small modular reactors, or SMRs, are changing the nuclear game. They're compact, factory-built, and shipped where needed. No more decade-long construction projects. SMRs use nuclear fission to generate electricity, but their size allows for modern, passive safety features. If there's a problem, they shut down and cool off automatically. No human intervention needed. Companies like NuScale in the US and Rolls-Royce in the UK are already building real SMRs. These reactors can be grouped like building blocks, making them flexible for different needs. SMRs are perfect for remote communities, industrial sites, or as backup for renewables. They're reliable, safe, and carbon-free. That's why countries and companies are investing heavily. SMRs could be a critical piece of the zero-carbon puzzle. The future of clean energy is getting smaller and smarter. Now let's talk about nuclear fusion, the energy of the future. Fusion is the opposite of fission. It fuses light atoms, like hydrogen, to release massive energy, just like the sun. The fuel is nearly limitless, and the process is inherently safe with no long-lived radioactive waste. The only byproduct? Helium, and zero carbon emissions. So why aren't we using it yet? Because creating a mini-sun on Earth is incredibly hard. Fusion requires temperatures hotter than the sun's core and a way to contain that plasma. But momentum is building. Private companies like Commonwealth Fusion Systems and Helion are racing to make fusion power a reality. Billions are being invested and new tech is accelerating progress. The goal: clean, safe, limitless energy for the world. Fusion could change everything if we can crack it. Meet ITER, the world's largest fusion experiment in France. 35 nations are collaborating to prove we can get more energy out of fusion than we put in. At its heart is a tokamak, a donut-shaped magnetic bottle that contains plasma at 100 million degrees. ITER just finished assembling its central solenoid, a magnet powerful enough to lift an aircraft carrier. This is a huge milestone, moving the project closer to creating its first plasma in the early 2030s. ITER is a symbol of global teamwork, uniting thousands of scientists for a peaceful goal: clean energy for humanity. While private companies race ahead, ITER's breakthroughs will benefit everyone. It's laying the foundation for commercial fusion power. The lessons from ITER could power our future. Why is advanced nuclear booming now? Climate change. We need to cut carbon fast, and nuclear offers powerful, reliable, clean energy. SMRs can decarbonize grids soon. Fusion is the long-term prize. Energy security is another driver. Countries want stable, homegrown power. Advances in materials, supercomputing, and manufacturing are making these technologies possible. Challenges remain. SMRs need regulatory streamlining and public trust. Fusion still faces technical hurdles. But with strong policy support and private investment, momentum is unstoppable. We're at a pivotal moment. Advanced nuclear could help build a cleaner, safer world. Science is rising to meet humanity's greatest challenge. The future of energy is here, and it's nuclear.